Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part of technical terms used in plant breeding. Starting with the first one, that is ideotype breeding. It aims to enhance potential by modifying individual traits to a predefined optimal levels. जैसे कि हम लोग आइडियोटाइप में ऑलरेडी देखे थे, इसका भी वही है कि ये इन्हांस कर देता है जेनेटिक ईल्ड पोटेंशियल को. कैसे? एक एक ट्रेट को मॉडिफाई करके. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट जो है वो आइडियोटाइप है, आइडियोटाइप कॉम्युनल. ये सेम होता है आइडियोटाइप से. नेक्स्ट है कॉम्पिटिशन, दैट इज एन आइडियोटाइप दैट परफॉर्म्स बेस्ट इन हेट्रोजीनियस पॉपुलेशन. मतलब हेट्रोजीनियस मतलब कैपिटल स्मॉल है, उस पॉपुलेशन में जो बेस्ट परफॉर्म करेगा. नेक्स्ट आइडियोटाइप क्रॉप, a plant model which is expected to yield a greater quantity or quality of grain or oil or other useful products when developed as a cultivar. It performs well when surrounded by plants of the same form. Next one is isolation ideotype. That is an ideotype that performs best when space planted. उसको अच्छे से जगह दो, isolate कर दो तो वो अच्छा perform करेगा. Next one is immune reaction. Complete absence of symptoms of a disease even after the host is exposed to the pathogen. Next one is improved seed. Seed of an improved variety having a very high genetic and physical purity and germination. मतलब genetic purity तो है बट साथ साथ physical और germination भी अच्छा होगा, उसी को improved बोलेंगे. Next one is in vitro techniques. That is techniques of culturing cells and organs on artificial media in vitro. That's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up. Till that, take care. Bye bye.